Greenland, a land of glaciers, icebergs, and geopolitical intrigue. Believe it or not, this massive island in the North Atlantic has become a surprising focal point of international attention. Why? Because beneath its icy exterior lies a treasure trove of natural resources and strategic importance. The United States, with its long history of global ambitions, has taken notice. From rare earth minerals essential for modern technology to a strategic location in an increasingly accessible Arctic, Greenland holds immense potential, but there's one small problem. Greenland isn't up for grabs, at least not officially. This hasn't stopped some, particularly former President Donald Trump, from dreaming big. Trump's infamous 2019 proposal to buy Greenland from Denmark, while widely ridiculed, exposed a deeper truth. The Arctic is becoming a new frontier in global power dynamics, and Greenland, with its delicate balance of autonomy and dependence on Denmark, finds itself caught in the middle. Trump's fascination with Greenland, while blunt and undiplomatic, wasn't entirely out of left field. The United States has a long history of interest in the Arctic, dating back to the Cold War. Greenland became home to the Thule Air Base, a crucial installation for monitoring Soviet activities. Fast forward to the 21st century and the Arctic is heating up, literally and figuratively. Climate change is melting Arctic ice, opening new shipping routes and access to resources. This has triggered a scramble for influence, with Russia, China, and the United States vying for control. Trump saw an opportunity in Greenland. His Buy Greenland idea was an attempt to assert American dominance. It was a signal to rivals like China and Russia that the US was not going to be left out. While Trump may be gone, his focus on the Arctic has left a lasting mark. Caught in the crosshairs of these geopolitical tensions is Greenland itself. With a population of just over 56,000, this autonomous territory of Denmark faces a unique set of challenges and opportunities. On the one hand, Greenland has experienced a growing sense of national identity and a desire for self-determination. Many Greenlanders see a future where they are no longer tethered to Copenhagen, free to chart their own course in the world. On the other hand, Greenland relies heavily on financial support from Denmark. Gaining full independence would mean giving up this vital lifeline, a daunting prospect for a nation with a developing economy and limited infrastructure. This delicate balance between aspirations for independence and economic realities has created a complex dilemma for Greenland's leaders and people. Adding to the complexity is the issue of climate change. Greenland is on the front lines of this global crisis, experiencing its effects more acutely than most. Melting ice sheets, while potentially opening up new economic opportunities, also pose an existential threat to Greenland's way of life. Navigating this uncertain future while balancing the interests of Denmark, the United States, and other global players is a formidable task for any nation, let alone one as small and geographically isolated as Greenland. What does the future hold for Greenland? The answer is complex and uncertain. One possibility is the status quo. Greenland remains part of Denmark with increasing autonomy. The US maintains its military presence at Thule Air Base. Economic development focuses on sustainable tourism and resource extraction. But turbulent scenarios can't be ruled out. The Arctic is rapidly transforming, bringing unpredictability. Increased competition for resources could heighten tensions. Greenland could become a pawn in a larger geopolitical chess match. Ultimately, Greenland's future lies in the hands of its people. They must balance independence aspirations with economic stability. Their choices will impact Greenland, the Arctic, and the world. Subscribe to @Hyper now for more in-depth analysis and commentary.